Hey there, fellow gearheads. Are you dealing with the P0171 code and feeling lost in the sauce? I feel you. While P0171 is common and considered a not too serious code, but if left untreated, it can potentially lead to more serious engine problems over time. Now, let's buckle up and learn more about the P0171 code. So, what does the P0171 code mean? The P0171 code indicates that an oxygen sensor in bank 1 has detected a lean condition. Specifically, it means that there's too much air and not enough fuel in the mixture. If you see the P0171 code in your car, you can expect the check engine light to turn on, and you may notice a lack of power, detonation, rough idle, or hesitation when accelerating. It's like trying to run on an empty stomach. Your car won't perform at its best. What's behind the P0171 code in your car's engine? First up, a dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, can disrupt the air-fuel mixture and trigger the P0171 code. Another possible cause is a vacuum leak downstream of the MAF sensor. This can allow extra air into the engine, throwing off the air-fuel ratio and triggering the code. Other causes of the P0171 code include issues with the positive crankcase ventilation system, or PCV system. In addition, a faulty O2 sensor, a bad fuel injector, low fuel pressure, or an exhaust leak between the engine and the first O2 sensor can all trigger the code. Don't panic when the P0171 code pops up in your car. Let's see some steps you can take to fix the issue. First, clean the MAF sensor to make sure it's providing accurate readings. Next, inspect and repair any cracked or disconnected vacuum and PCV hoses. Then, check for air intake system leaks and repair any issues found. After that, inspect and replace the intake manifold gaskets if necessary. Make sure to also check the fuel filter and fuel pressure, as a dirty filter or low pressure can cause the engine to run lean. Using scan tools, monitor the fuel trims and check for any issues with the air-fuel mixture. Finally, run a smoke test to check for air intake leaks, if possible. By following these steps, I hope you can diagnose and fix the issues that are causing the P0171 code in your car's engine. But if you're unsure about any of these steps or need further assistance, it's always best to have your car inspected by a trusted mechanic. Don't forget to check out the OBD Codex lookup tool for more information on other trouble codes and how to fix them. Also, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.